Hey everybody, welcome to Colorado by Car. It's Wednesday, March 13th, 2019, and I'm home from work because we're going to have a blizzard today. And I decided after our last blizzard that I was not dealing with blizzards anymore. So let me show you what we have right now. So yeah, not blizzardy just yet. It's just raining and turning into sleet. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, can't really tell anything here, but it is kind of starting to sleet. It's about 8:30 a.m. So by 10 o'clock this should all be snow. So I'll update you then. Bye. Okay, it's now 9:30 and Chuck is gonna go outside with Emmett to try and get him to go potty. Cause right now he goes out, oops, too fast. Right now he goes out and he's like, that's scary. Too cold, too wet. I'm doing work from home, by the way. Oh crap. Yeah, it looks lovely out here. All right, be careful, please. Okay, so this is an attempt to get Emmy to go potty. Go potty, Em! As you can see, the wind is picking up. Get flag up now. And the snow is picking up. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's getting blizzardy out here. Okay. See the snow? Yeah. Very good. Alright. Well, this should just be the start, so... Oh, there he went. We're afraid he's going to kill himself on this icy scoop. Careful, honey. Alright, so yeah, that was pretty windy. It's 10:30 and we're in full blizzard mode now. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe this isn't a good example of full blizzard mode, is it? Oh, there you go. Yeah, see? That's maybe a little better. You don't want to go out, do you? You can if you want. Wow. Okay. Okay, I think it's about 11:30 now. Look, here's the front. It's a blizzard. Sure am glad I'm not driving. Nice. Look how much snow is already in our sliding glass door screen. Emmett says, I want to go out, but every time the door opens, it's horrible weather. Why is that? That's crazy talk, Em. You want to go out there? No, you don't. Oh my gosh, he's going. He's going. He must be desperate. That's a piece of wood, by the way. Oh my gosh, there's a blizzard. Puppy in a blizzard. Here's someone driving. No, maybe not. No, I just hear the wind. See, I like it over there where this house. It's like, wow, that's nice. Look at this cray-cray. Nice. Gonna brave it. All right, 12:20 and you can basically not even see across the street now. I mean, you can with this thing, but that's pretty intense. Can't see anything over there. Here, I'll show you. Oh, wow. Can't see that house at all. Still see that house. Really? To not go driving anywhere. I'm glad we're here. Okay, for real, you can't see across the street now. Look. Okay, you can on here, but barely. It's a whiteout. I mean, beyond our trees, of course. Look, you really can't see that house very much. We're like total whiteout condition here. Look at this puppy. You can see our little snow rim is forming. Wah! Wah! This is awful. Ah! Do you see the snow rim? It's right there. You can see it. Snow rim. Oh my god, there's a car. There's a car. Crazy car. Crazy car. What the hell? There's another one. Go home, people. What is wrong with you? Ah, it's insane. Look at that! Holy cow! Look at the wind! I mean, holy cow! Look, you cannot see that house. It's gone. Wow. Yeah. Everybody who's out right now needs to go home. Look at that. And this is like starring my crappy looking junipers, but they're a good reference. Okay, here's the out front view. So clearly they're like not gonna get our trash today. I don't know what it is with blizzards and trash, but that's the park across the street. You can barely make it out. Look at that. That's nutty. You see it? How insane this is? At this rate, we won't be going to work tomorrow either. Wow. Look at how this is cool though. Look at how it gets onto our rocks. And look up here. That's kind of neat looking. Maybe it just means my house is dirty. It could mean that too, but look, this is pretty. Look. Ah, that's kind of cool, right? Kind of pretty. Okay, well, I think it's pretty. Don't think I'm weird, because I think weird stuff is pretty. See? And me, you stand. The thing is, it's not that cold. I mean, it's about 30. Wow. Look at it. Okay, can you see the thingy flapping over there? That's the dog poop picker-upper bags. Okay. Okay, it's 2:45 now. And we still have a blizzard.
It's a whiteout.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much a whiteout. So here's the deal about this blizzard. Apparently the barometric pressure is really low. And it's low enough to be considered the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane. So that's why it's unique, because I guess this is a record-setting low pressure system that's creating this. So it's kind of like we are in the eye of a Cat 2 hurricane. Maybe not the eye, but within the storm. And if you look at the weather maps, that's what it looks like, is it's swirling like a hurricane. So yeah, we get tornadoes, but hurricanes in the middle of the country? No, that's weird. I'll show you the back now. All right, here's how it's looking in the back. So we've got our little ridge of snow going on back here. See it? yeah, it's windy. Yeah, that's our snow ridge right there. We get that almost every snowstorm just because we're out here on the plains and it's pretty dang windy. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. And snowing since 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah. All right, let's shut the door. Oh, shut the door. Okay. So the thing about the snow ridge, in the wind, it makes it hard to say how much snow we got. We're only expecting 10 inches. I shouldn't say only, that's a lot of snow. But I mean, a lot of people get more snow than that. But yeah, it's pretty impressive. All right, we'll check in again later. Okay, so now it's almost 8 o'clock. Sorry for the late update. Look at all the snow! As you can see, it's still blowing. It's still snowing. Look at our snow pile over here. Holy shmoo! And it's never gonna go potty in that corner again. Hey, Em. Okay, he wants to go out. He's going out. Okay. Look at that. Wah! Okay, well, it's a little dark. Anyway, it's not so like you can't see anymore. It's still really windy. It's still blowing. And our snow piles are pretty big. Should be interesting out front. Oh my god, it's really windy. Okay, here we go. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Really windy. Okay, let's see the front. Right, here's the front of the house. So we got quite a bit of snow in the rose bushes. Trash definitely was not picked up. I don't know if you can still see the, well, I can barely see it, but anyway. Ew. Let's see, how does this look in front of the house? There's a little snow ridge. There's our light. Well, I'll definitely have to shovel. Oh. Our neighbor shoveled. Well, I think we'll just wait until tomorrow. But yeah, so... Oh. Yeah, it looks like fun, doesn't it? Not. Okay. Okay, it's the next day. Let's see what we got. So it's Thursday, March 14th. All right. So the trash cans have a little well around them, as does these things. Let me see. Oh, got snow in the light. Weird. Okay. All right. Out here. It's still windy, by the way. Got our big pile of snow in our snow ridge. Bare here. And yes, I know that snow looks gross. It's because we have a zillion bunnies going potty in our yard. Cars are stuck over there, which does not exactly make me want to try and get out and go to work. So yeah, let's see. Oh, there's that house that you couldn't see last night. You can see it today. Woohoo! Up to our blizzard. Okay. I thought it's Saturday afternoon, but I thought these were really pretty yesterday morning when I went to work. Look.
Snow ridges.
I know, but look how they curl over.
Yeah.
They were cooler yesterday because there were
more snow.
Well, yeah, not melted, but still. Yeah, I turned the corner, I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It was really pretty yesterday. Okay, bye.